Whether you're lucky enough to get to take a family vacation, a road trip with your friends, or a romantic getaway with your partner, or you find yourself needing to travel for work, anytime you're away from home, it can be difficult to keep up with your workout routine. Between jet lag and time changes, tiny hotel rooms and cramped hotel gyms with old equipment, it's not easy to get workouts done or go for your usual run. Well, the good news is that you can do a total body hotel workout right in your room when you're on the road, helping you stick to a workout routine. Also, the workouts that I'm going to talk about can be done in the sets of 3 following 5 to 15 reps in each set, depending on your strength and stamina. So starting with incline push-ups. Stand facing the edge of the bed. Place your hands on the edge of the bed just slightly wider than your shoulder width. Your arms are straight but elbows are not locked. Align your feet so that your arms and body are completely straight. Bend your elbows to slowly lower your chest to the edge of the bench while inhaling. Keep your body straight and rigid throughout the movement. Push your body away from the bed until your elbows are extended, but not locked. Exhale as you push up. Keep going with slow, steady repetitions. Moving on to the next one, prone towel pull downs. With the towel, lie face down on the ground. Grip the towel with both hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Make sure both hands have a good grip on the towel. Arms should be fully extended in front of you. Slowly lift your torso off the ground. Contract the muscles in your upper back to maintain full control throughout the movement. Bring the towel down until it lightly grazes your chest. Engage your core throughout the movement. As you pull and push your elbows down towards your midsection and squeeze your shoulder blades, this will increase involvement from the lats. Slowly return your hands to the starting position. Moving on to the next one, chair dips. Sit on your chair or bench with your arms at your side and your feet flat on the floor, hip distance apart. Position your hands so that your palms are down beside your hips. Your fingers should grip the front of the chair seat. Move your torso forward off with the chair with your arms extended. Your buttocks should hover over the floor and your knees should be slightly bent. Your heels should touch the floor a few inches in front of your knees. Breathe in as you slowly lower your body, hinging at the elbows until each forms a 90-degree angle. Breathe out as you push up to your starting position with your arms fully extended. Coming up next, overhead towel squats. Drive the towel straight overhead and lock out your elbows. Slowly drive your hips back. Bending your knees, keeping your core tight until your thighs are parallel to the floor or lower. Slowly push back up, returning to the starting position. Up next, Russian water bottle twist. Sit on the floor and bring your legs out straight. Lean back slightly so your torso and legs form a V-like shape, bracing your abdominal wall to engage your core. Balancing here and keeping your legs stationary, twist your torso from side to side. Do consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Also, you should avoid doing these workouts if you've crossed time zones on the first day, and if you've contracted an illness, or if you're feeling tired, or if the conditions are unsafe. Remember, you don't need to be all or nothing. You just need to be good enough. And every decision helps. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content. Till then, keep exercising.